Ceramic and porcelain tile are known for their durability and ease of maintenance. Porcelain tile is a ceramic tile that has a very low water absorption rate. It is denser and less porous than ceramic, making it easier to clean. Routine maintenance includes sweeping your floor regularly. Dirt can adhere to the surface of a tile. Sweeping helps loosen and remove most of this dirt. A vacuum is also useful in cleaning up dirt and debris. However, be sure to use the vacuum attachments, as the beater bar may dull, chip, or scratch your tile. These attachments make collecting dirt along edges and in between tiles easy. Place walk-off mats and area rugs on either side of exterior entrances to help minimize dirt being trapped inside. Regularly damp mop your floor with the manufacturer's recommended grout and tile cleaners. After cleaning, rinse well and wipe dry. Occasionally, textured tiles may require mild scrubbing. Do not use scouring powders or other abrasives, which can scratch the finish. After the installation process is complete and your grout has had ample time to cure, sealing the grout and/or tiles can provide enhanced protection from dirt and spills. Additionally, it is your responsibility to properly maintain grout and caulking, especially in heavy water use areas. While ceramic tile is durable, it is not indestructible and may crack or chip under extreme force. Please take the proper precautions when moving heavy objects across your tile floor, and cover furniture legs with protectors to guard your floor against damage. With regular care and maintenance, your tile floor will look beautiful for years to come.